Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is from well-known company Yahoo. They are hiring someone to review media files and check them for facts, making sure all the information is accurate, all the images are correct, everything like that. We're going to dive all into it. I just ask that if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, Yahoo has 6,100 reviews on Glassdoor, and they are highly rated with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a content quality analyst. This is remote for the United States only. They are looking for somebody who has an editorial background to ensure quality content across all of their different properties. So they're looking for somebody to review their digital media content like articles, images, videos, links, embeds, audio, all kinds of content and media that they're going to post on their sites. Just verifying the fact sources and references to the content, making sure it's reliable and credible before Yahoo posts it all over the internet. They have a reputation to uphold, so you're going to have to conduct thorough content audits, identifying and addressing any issues related to clarity, coherence, everything like that, making sure articles flow. You'll collaborate internally and externally with content creators and moderators, providing any constructive feedback and recommendations for improvement. So it doesn't sound like you're going to have to improve the articles yourself. You're just giving your feedback, and then the original person will correct any mistakes and give it back for review. You will have a content style guide and quality standards to follow. Now, one thing about this position, though, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor's degree in like media, journalism, communications, or writing. I have seen in the comments in the last few months, somebody was looking for some kind of editing, proofreading, journalism job. So if that was you that left that comment, this one might be perfect for you. They're looking for somebody who has proven experience in content editing, someone who has great grammar skills, someone who can work independently and be a multitasker, prioritizing tasks and getting them done on that deadline. Now, Yahoo is paying very well. They pay anywhere from $61,875 a year all the way up to $128,750 a year. That's going to be dependent on your location and experience. And of course, if this one wasn't for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep a lookout when I am searching for job leads to share. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, if you enjoy job leads like this, give this video a thumbs up, like button, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.